Hey there everyone, and welcome back to the Digital Marketing Hub. And today we're gonna talk about gamification and how you can apply it to fitness. So what is gamification exactly anyway? Well, it's an application of typical elements of game playing to other areas of activity, typically as an online marketing technique to encourage engagement with a product or service. In short, if when someone like a gaming company makes an app that makes day-to-day chores and work more game-like. We all hate washing dishes, right? Let's say that you have a gamification app right now, you press the start button, and the app tells you that you have 30 minutes to wash all your dishes, and once you finish before the time reaches 30 minutes, you're simply rewarded with points so you can show off with friends or just be part of the leaderboards. And this is a perfect example of gamification. You work because there's a reward at stake. So how do we blend gamification with fitness? And is it possible? The short answer, yes, we can, and here are ways to do it. But before that, if you're a fitness enthusiast, we highly recommend that you subscribe to our channel and click on the bell notification icon to be notified for new videos. Scavenger hunt. Scavenger hunt means setting up different stations with a specific set of exercises. Once the client is able to finish the exercise, you can give them a clue as to the exact location of the next station until all stations are finally done with. You can give incentives to your clients like giving them a prize, for instance, like books or movie tickets. And if they want to go outdoors, treat them to go see an exhibit perhaps. You can also make use of printed certificates of achievements as a great tactic to boost their self-confidence. Obstacle course. Next in the game is the obstacle course, wherein if you have competitive clients who do not absolutely enjoy performing cardio on a machine, you can set up a fancy circuit with creative games for exercises. Like for instance, you can set up a course that is good for 30 minutes that combines pushing, pulling, core and lower body movements for your clients. You can even add high-intensity dynamic moves to boost their respective heart rates. Pack Power. This game builds strong social support, encouragement, and friendly competition. All you need to do is have all your clients pair up and create a pact to achieve a specific goal for a specific time period, which is good for a month or two. By the end of each week, all the pairs should be able to have their own progress documented. This is also a good time for them to share their struggles and triumphs while on their way to achieving their desired body, and at the same time they can motivate and encourage each other to continue pressing on. All around the world. The last game puts a premium on travel because you are to set up a world tour wherein each minute or session, say for example, that has been accomplished is equivalent to a new destination. Clients can freely choose the place where they would like to travel in reality or in fantasy. And along the course of their adventure, you can give them unique prizes to keep them to continue their voyage. According to Swan in 2012, the goal of gamification is to create incentives and a more engaging experience. In other words, it's about fun. Achieving a sound body and mind should be as equal fun as having it. Without the proper motivation and guidance, there would be no hard work and perseverance on the part of the person, and so, try gamification today. Well guys, I hope you find this video informative, and if you are a fitness enthusiast, please do subscribe to our channel. We post videos weekly to give you the latest heads up in fitness. Thank you for being with us, and we'll see you next time. Take care now.